Ever tried scrapping a website and your IP got blocked instantly or your IP speed dropped suddenly? I was stuck on the same problem until I discovered this tool, Lychee IP. In this video, I'll show you how you can achieve high-speed internet connection and use proxy for your work. But what is proxy? Let's break it down. You can see this image. These are the clients. Client means you, your computer, maybe your mobile, maybe your computer, laptop, anything. And you have a IP. Let's say it is x.x.x. Okay. And this is the proxy. Proxy means you and the server you want to query from, the middleman between them. You and the database is the network or some server you want to query from, and proxy is middleman. What proxy helps is proxy give you a new IP address which resembles like this IP is accessing that database, not from your IP. So what it eventually become, when you don't want to show your actual IP address, you want to use proxy so that your IP will not blocklisted and etc. That's the help with this proxy servers. Now this website is provide residential proxy which resembles actually a real user is accessing their website. Any website this can be. Okay. And it has static and dynamic proxy. The difference you can see, static IP will not change automatically and the dynamic IP will change based on the time ends. Okay. So what is the pricing of these proxies? Because these are not free and cheap IP addresses which will get blocked instantly. Maybe you can, maybe you know already. So let's see what is the price of these IP addresses. Just you have to go to maybe dynamic and static, whichever you want. I am going for static IPs and just creating. I want only one IP address, and the duration is 30 days. That will be only $9, which is awesome. And you can have different options for PayPal and some other stuff. As of now, I'm not going to pay. You if you want, you can pay from the link in the description below. You will get some coupon and discount codes. I've already purchased a proxy for you. Before clicking enable on proxy, let's see what is my actual network speed now. You can see this is my IP address and this is my I am accessing from Kolkata. So okay, this is my actual network speed today. Okay, you can see my download and upload speed before enabling the proxy server. Now let's see. After enabling the proxy, you can see I have enabled a proxy for you, and let's see what is the speed of this. You can see my IP got changed. You can see even my location got changed. Let's see what is the speed. You can see almost the similar speed, which is impossible in any free proxy server, I can bet you. You can see the speed. Let's try to open some website which is not accessible from India actually. TikTok. You already know TikTok is disabled in our country, but you can see I can have this website. I can access this website for you. Who should use these proxy servers? Some web scrapers, automation engineers, streamers, and whoever wants to use this, he can use this. How to start? Just come over to this website. I'll give the link down in the description. Just sign up and make payment. That's it. This is this much simple. So, if you are tired of weak proxies, buffering screen, blocklisted IPs, switch to this website and use their proxy servers. By the way, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.